took my mind that it was your money. I thought it was mine.
It's alright.
Anyway, this is Laveda Moore. I live in 511, but I'm in room 309. And I am spend most of my time down here with my neighbor and help him out and everything. I'm just recording all this unsanitary bird poop. There's a pile of bird poop on room two's window ledge. As you can see, the spikes, they knocked down all the spikes and they're using the spikes as a nest.
Show them the window screen how it doesn't fit correctly either.
It's
not on, but Emmerich or Emilio didn't do a good job.
that's the other room.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the sides, I don't think you could see, but on the sides, the screen is kind of bent and flies are starting to come in.
So it's not really a good secure window.
It is not a real secure window, especially.
And it doesn't seal off the elements.
As you can see, there's the evidence. There's a fly that came from the outside, from the screen.
Nasty.
It is very nasty and unhealthy, especially for me. I am asthmatic, and me standing here, I'm starting to get like a burning sensation behind my throat. It smells bad.
They're ready to we need to get the removed before they do.
We need to get these birds removed before they start laying more eggs. And over here is far worse. There's a nest on top of a nest, and at the end there's a dead baby bird. And right now I think there's an egg, or probably not an egg, I'm not sure. But right here they're using the spikes as a nest again. And the pile is pretty big. And Mr. 309 says that maintenance didn't do a good job on his screen. They didn't put it in right. And the sides are bent, and once again, and instead of snapping the screen into the window, they put a screw there to secure the screen on a piece of wood. But still there are gaps and flies are still coming in through his windows.